I will come back. Another important tip for you. So, based on my experience, advantage of condition information in support projects for pricing. It's not only for support projects or implementation also certain times. So, how do you check this? You can able to use either week 11 or week 12 as a transaction. So, now see this. If you go to the week 12, okay, you can able to find the different condition records like this. Okay, sorry, for one key combination you can able to find your condition record information like this. For example, if you go to VK World, this is the place where you have a condition information button. What is the basic advantage? Let me tell you one thing. So it's not so easy like how you try to track in your project, like your in your practice system. Okay, for maintaining whatever the condition record, if you'd like to maintain, you maintain. Okay, and you can go and remember that is fine. But if you join in a new company, okay, if you got some issue for pricing, okay, so how do you make an analysis? Not only checking for your sales order, like what is the key combination? What are all the different validities? For example, if the material exists last 10 years, maybe different key combinations at different levels. Suddenly, the pricing condition record which is working, so which might be behave odd way or a different way. Such a case, how do you find it out? This is one of the key. Actually, I am not saying that this is the final. If we click this condition information, so let's don't give the sales organization. If you give sales organization, you will get the see what are all the combinations got maintained. Okay, if you give material for that material, what are all the combinations got maintained? If you give the customer material combination, what are all the combination maintained? So if I don't give here, for example, if you look at this, so these are the different sales organizations and for different materials in the system got maintained. Okay, this is how you can able to find the list of the history. So you can see this, all these are this. So you would like to filter based on, for example, certain material. Okay. So here it is not maintained much. I'm just telling you an example for 743. So it is currently available in this sales organization with 004 table. Certain times, if you maintain, what you can able to do it, you can test on your practice system for the same material, maintain 5 key combinations with different validities. Okay, so that you can able to get that. Okay, that is one thing is there. So or else I just give the sales org basis. Okay, so I can able to get it. Currently, I'm just working with this DI sales organization for distributor. Okay, assume that in real time you have a distributor is there, retail is there, like 01, 02, 03 like that, and 5 distribution channels are there. One material it is with this is just maintained for material combination. Certain times you might have a chances. So like let me check here. So you can check here. This is customer basis also it is got maintained like that, So you can get the information in detailed manner. That's what I'm telling. What is my intention of this um, discussion is. So you just check on your practice system by giving different key combinations so that you will have an eye of your practice. Okay, before getting into the real time. This is how you can able to play with the system. Key combinations are available. For example, in this key combination, this material is product hierarchy 1, product hierarchy 2, product hierarchy 3, and material customer product hierarchy 1. Like that, you will have a tons of key combinations are there. It is very, very difficult to which condition record is belongs to this one. You will get certain information in what I would say sales order. Okay. So, but still, if you'd like to check what is the condition record, if it is got maintained, this is the only key. Okay. So I think if you like this video, please like it. If you would like to learn pricing in detail, okay. So please stay tuned with me, my channel. Okay. So Rise Your Skills, and recently I have changed the name of my channel. Here go. Two are the important courses. This is 8.5 hours. So currently holding 2000 plus students. And with that motivation, I have done an advanced course for pricing. You can try these 2 courses so that, if you would like to be perfect in your pricing. Anyhow, so it is the only concept, how much you learn, it's never ending. That is the only concept is pricing. So let's catch up in next session to find out some more things related to your condition record. Anyhow, this video also I'm adding over there. Thanks for joining this session. Have a great day. Bye bye.